Hey, are you here for the tour? Nope. Just kidding, come on inside. Welcome to the Maverick Hills Townhome II floor plan. This is over 1,000 square feet. It's 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. For the first part of this tour, we're gonna look at this amazing kitchen right here. Stainless steel appliances that are all Samsung. Another thing that a lot of communities do not have is a water dispenser. Inside here is where you're gonna find your half bath and where your washer and dryer is gonna be located. Out here is a patio where you can have all your outdoor furniture and your grill. Up here is where you're gonna find your bedrooms. Coming inside, let's look at the first bedroom together. Check out this huge space, and this is big enough for a queen bed in here as well. A unique feature that all of the units here at Maverick Hills will have is your own keypad for your doorknob. The last bedroom here in the Townhome 2 is gonna be this one right here. Hope to see you soon.